Hello, welcome to Empress Recipes. If you're finding it very difficult falling asleep at night, waking up at night and not being able to go back to sleep, waking up too early even after going to bed too late, not feeling well rested after a night's sleep, having daytime tiredness and sleeplessness, having irritability, depression and anxiety, finding it very difficult focusing on a task, remembering things, or you are having constant headaches, then you probably might be suffering from insomnia. Now, insomnia is a sleep disorder that has been researched to relatively affecting thousands of people worldwide. Shockingly, years back, I found myself battling with insomnia. It affected my performance at work and at home, as little chores became Herculean tasks for me. I even found myself breathing very heavily after climbing few staircases or walking few distance, but all that changed when I finally found a cure to reversing insomnia naturally using kitchen homemade recipes. Now I do sleep on time and I have a good quality uninterrupted night sleep, all with the help of the kitchen homemade recipes I'm about sharing with you. In the link video below, I have highlighted 3 methods with full details on how to reversing insomnia naturally. All these procedures are organic and they have no side effects. To get full access, click on the link below. Trust me, insomnia can be reversed naturally. It's time for you to get that good quality sleep your body needs. Click on the link and get started.